Welcome you all on Tech Special Information. In this video, I am going to give you some update regarding training program as well as job update also from the training institute named Veda IIT located in Hyderabad and Guntur. So this video is basically for electronics, electrical related branch student and for computer science and information technology branch related students. So for that you can directly search from Veda IIT website. Just go to Google and search Veda IIT, then open the link vedaiit.org. So as you can see here, career readiness program in embedded system and AI and machine learning, and one program in ATAI engineer trainee recruitment on artificial intelligence. ATAI is a company which works on artificial intelligence and machine learning. So they are going to recruit through the training institute named Veda IIT. I will discuss the whole recruitment procedure and test pattern, the syllabus, everything in this video. And another update is Soctronics engineer training recruitment. Soctronics is a company, they basically works on VLSI and embedded system. So let's start from first update. First update is embedded system design. So as you can see, last date of application is 1st November and preliminary test will be on 6th November 2021. So for getting the information, you should click on download poster. Yeah, poster is downloaded. Let's see the poster. So as you can see, career readiness program in embedded system design. So entrance test, preliminary test, that will be online, and then main test will be offline and interview also will be offline. So you have to clear one by one. If you clear preliminary test, then you can go for mains test. If you can clear main, then you can go for interview. Okay, date is also given 6/11/2021. That means 6 November from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. 1 hours preliminary exam. Then mains exam on 13th November and interview will start from 17th onward. That means interview will not be in a single day. Okay, in multiple days. That means suppose 50 candidates are selected, so there will be a slot, one day 10 candidates, like that. Now see here, what are the domains? Embedded software development, software testing, application software development. So in these three domains they will provide you training. And what is the course actually? 6 months full-time intensive and industry oriented training. So they will provide you a 6-month training and you have to pay the course fee. It will depends upon in which domain you are selected, among embedded software development or software testing, application software development, in which domain you are selected, the course fee will depends upon that. And Veda IIT will provide you guidance for placement also. And if you can check from Veda IIT site, their placement record is very good, almost 99% placement they provide. Okay, and eligibility criteria, that is BTech or MSc in electronics, electrical, computer science. Okay, so any electronics or electrical related branch like ECE, electronics and electrical engineering, or electrical engineering, or computer science, information technology, applied electronics and instrumentation. So these kinds of branch students, they can apply both BTech and MSc. Final year students can also apply, and the registration fees is 500 rupees. Last date of application 1st November. So this is the update about embedded system related course. This is a training program. After training, Veda IIT will provide you assistance or guidance for the job. Okay, now let's go to the next. Next update is about AI and machine learning related course. Last date of application is 25th October in this month. Download poster. Yeah, poster is downloaded. Let's see. So here will be also prelims, mains, interview, same dates are also given here. So in which topic they will provide you training, that is Python, matrix, linear algebra, statistics, probability, linear regression and calculus, machine learning and deep learning, database, SQL, NoSQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, Visual. So these are the topic on which they will provide you training, and this is also 6 months training, and course fee also will depends upon the domain you are selected, and they will provide you proper guidance for the placement also. Eligibility criteria is here electrical related students are not eligible, only electronics and computer science engineering related students are eligible. And finally our students are also eligible. Registration fee is same 500 rupees. So I will discuss about the syllabus also. For the entrance test, what will be the syllabus? I will discuss about that also. And the training institute, they having two training institute, one in Hyderabad, another one is Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. So before going to the next two updates, I will discuss about syllabus. So these two updates are training program, and upcoming two updates, those are related to job. That means first you will select it for the company, then you will be in sponsored training. So in the first two courses, what I already discussed in this, you have to pay course fee, and after at the end of the course they will provide you placement guidance, and remaining two update, those I am going to give you. In those case, company will provide you training fees, and at the end of the training you will be recruited by that particular company. So if you want to know more about, you have to click on more info. Okay, this is embedded system. Scroll down. Eligibility criteria is also here. Minimum percentage you should have, that is 65%. Let's see about the EIML syllabus for entrance exam. Click on more info, scroll down. Sample questions you can see from here. Here will be some sample questions, and for see the syllabus, you have to go for the test pattern. Yeah, here you can see fill in the blanks, short question problems will be there, and syllabus is mathematics, statistics, probability, linear algebra, calculus, and database concept SQL you should require, and basic programming in Python, logical reasoning you should require. So for the EIML you should have a good concept on mathematics, and you can see the syllabus: 1 hours exam, preliminary exam, total 30 marks exam, basic engineering mathematics, logical reasoning and aptitude. Only these are syllabus for prelims exam. In mains exam there will be engineering mathematics, basic Python programming, database concept and problem solving. 2 hours exam. So you can check some career respect, etc. Admission voucher also you can download. From admission voucher you can get the proper information regarding your course fee. So now we are going to the job related updates. First is from Atai. Atai is a company who works on basically AI and ML, as I already told you. So click on download poster. Yeah, poster is downloaded. Let's see. Course content: mathematics, machine learning, deep learning, full stack, and Japstone project. So these are the course updates, and this will be a 6-month company sponsored course. That means you no need to pay any course fee for this course. So prelims exam online 13th October, and 7th November there will be mains exam and interview from 10th November. Last date of application is 25th October 2021, and registration fee is 500 rupees. Only CSE and ECE candidates can apply for this. Okay, I'll show you the syllabus also. So I'm not showing the syllabus for ATA engineering trainee recruitment. You can see by clicking on more info that syllabus is same. with the AI/ML training program. And the last update is from Electronics Engineer Trainee recruitment on embedded system. Last date 1st November, prelims test 6th November 2021. So click on more info, embedded system design, software testing, application, software development. So these three are the domain. Click on know more and scroll down. Here electronics, electrical, computer science, all STEM students are eligible. Instrument also. Click on test pattern to see the syllabus. As you can see, basic electronics, logic design, number system, microprocessor, microcontroller, interface, assembly programming, peripheral and system design, C programming, aptitude. These are the syllabus. In prelims exam there will be only basic electronics and aptitude, and in mains exam there will be digital design, number system, C programming and aptitude. Okay, so this is from Electronics Engineer Training. So Electronics company will sponsor you the course. So these are the information. So if you have any query, you can ask in the comment box section. Thank you.